I am Janice.
I will be scanning all surveillance and defense upgrades that we installed during the course of the entire project.
Let's check out the room we had worked on at the beginning of the mini-series. Let's take a look outside. We have the main tent with the decorations being set up.
All upgraded systems are connected, online, and operating within acceptable parameters. All compatible frequencies are being networked to our system and be accessed through the exoskeleton.
Looks like we're ready for tonight.